First thing that we want to keep in mind when we're introducing a dog to another like unfamiliar dog is, do we really know if our dog even wants to interact with other dogs? Do I have a really playful social dog? Do I have a dog who's kind of more of a loner, like neutral to other dogs, but would prefer just to be sniffing a bush as opposed to playing with a dog? Or do I have a dog who's afraid of other dogs and maybe doesn't want to interact at all? I need to keep that in mind. Like, what are my dog's social preferences? Not my social preferences as a person, because I might be a very outgoing person who wants to go to the dog park, but I rescued a dog who's a wallflower. And that's a conflict I see a lot with people, right? They get a dog whose personality doesn't match the activities that they had hoped they were going to get to do with them. So as a general rule, anytime I'm introducing two unfamiliar dogs, I definitely want to have them both on a leash. And I want to do what are called like drive-by interactions, where I might walk by or close by the other dog, and other handler who needs to also have control of their dog. We need to make sure our leashes don't get tangled. And I just want to do a real quick, like, let the dogs go up, sniff for a couple seconds, and then I'm going to pull them away and we're going to walk away from each other. If you can keep it to like 1, 2, 3, okay, bye, like that short of an interaction, there's very little room for anything to go wrong. Even if a dog's going to become aggressive to another dog, you still have enough time to react in those 3 seconds. And if you have dogs that are going to be really social with each other, you're going to see them still try to solicit play out of the other dog once you separate them. So I want to do a quick kind of drive-by greeting. Then I want to separate the dogs. And I kind of just want to get a read on, like, what are they doing? Are they looking at each other? Are they staring at each other wanting to fight? Are they play bowing and barking that they want to engage? Or are they just kind of like, that was fine, but I don't need to see him again? And then based on what outcome I get, I need to respect my dog's wishes, because the worst thing that we see happen is people say, oh, they didn't fight, so they must want to be friends. Well, there's plenty of people that I meet that I'm neutral to, but it doesn't mean I want to be friends. I don't want to fight them, but I also don't want to be friends. We've got to stop forcing dogs to be friends when they really are just comfortable being neutral, and only allow the dogs that want to be social and play to be social and play.